How to fix Alt Shift not changing language on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. What you can also do is click on Shift, then press on Alt. Or press on Shift and then press on Alt. If it's not changing, what you can do is simply search language setting at the bottom and you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Keyboard. After you click on Keyboard in here, click on Input Language Hotkeys, which will open this page. In this page, simply select Shift or Caps Lock. Make sure there's dot in that. Press on Apply and then press on OK. After you do this, you will know which tab you have chose. You can simply click on it according to that. This is how to fix Alt and Shift not changing language on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.